Assalamu alaikum to my honorable principal, Sir Ghaffar Kirio, our professors and our colleagues. I am Said Musaddiq Rasul from class first year pre-engineering.
I am Mohammed Hassan from first year pre-medical.
We begin our prize ceremony with the beautiful and critical lines of the Shah Latif. Latif Sain चलो तो अकुलटी ढार वों उबतो आमसी जे लेवारो लोक वे तू ऊंचो वो भार मंझा नोच निहार पुर पुठीरो पिरियं दे
We'll begin the award distribution ceremony with the recitation of Holy Quran. So for this noble task, I would like to invite Mr. Imran Nawal to come forward and recite few verses of Holy Quran.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قل هو الله أحد الله الصمد لم يلد ولم يولد ولم يكن له كفوا أحد صدق الله العلي العظيم.
We want to inform our colleagues that English Mastery Academy conducted the test across the city where hundreds of the students from Talca Moro participated, in which the students of Government Mehran Degree College Moro secured the first, second and third position respectively. We have gathered here to appreciate them and their efforts, and they will be awarded with the cash prizes as well as the English proficiency certificates. So, the coordinator and the participants have been waiting for the noble and robust personality of Moro, Sir Professor Abdul Ghaffar Kirio Sahab, to come forward and distribute the awards among the students. Sir, please welcome. So, the first position goes to Mr. Sayyid Musaddiq Shah from first year pre-engineering class. I would request him to come forward and collect the reward from sir. And he will receive the amount of rupees 5,000. So, second position goes to Mr. Muhammad Zaki Kurai. Please come forward and receive your award of 4,000 rupees. Zaki Kurai. That's not. What's my name, sir? Sir, Iftikhar. Sir, that's not.
We'll proceed our session. So the third question goes to Mr. Hassan Syal. I invite Mr. Professor Sir Badal Ghani to present the question. Our brilliant colleague Mr. Hassan Syal has got third position and he will be awarded 3,000 rupees.
Thank you.
Another candidate who succeeded third position, Akash Mal. I have Mr. Akash Malak has gotten third position and he will be awarded 3,000 rupees.
जी सर संभालिए. So we'll proceed the program and I would like to invite Mr. Afsan Behrani for the song. दिल में अज रात तुझी याद भरिया शायद, दिल में अज रात तुझी याद भरिया शायद, उदाही रात में काचिन गबरिया शायद, दिल में अज रात तुझी याद भरिया शायद, दिल में अज रात तुझी याद भरिया शायद, उदाही रात में काचिन गबरिया शायद, दिल में अज रात तुझी याद भरिया शायद, दिल में अज रात तुझी याद भरिया शायद, रिया बरसात
माइक लगाओ ड्रेस कंट्रोल में तुगा संगति
दाम, रिया बरसात सजी रात पुछवा दाम, दिखे अखियां मां गुझो, दिखे अखियां मां गुझो दरिया दरिया शायद, दिल में अज रात तुझी याद भरिया शायद, दिल में अज रात तुझी याद भरिया शायद, तुझे वादन जे अञा एतबार ते आहे, तुझे वादन जे अञा एतबार ते आहे, दिल मुंहिंजी नाहे का, दिल मुंहिंजी नाहे का पत्थरनि जी भरिया शायद, दिल में अज रात तुझी याद भरिया शायद, दिल में अज रात तुझी याद भरिया शायद, उदाही रात में काचिन गबरिया शायद, दिल में अज रात तुझी याद भरिया शायद, केर ईंदो छो हिते केर सॾींदो मूंखे, केर ईंदो छो हिते केर सॾींदो मूंखे, दिलचरी आहे, दिलचरी आहे ख़ाली घर खां डिगिया शायद, दिल में अज रात तुझी याद भरिया शायद, दिल में अज रात तुझी याद भरिया शायद।
We will proceed our session with a speech. I would like to call Diljan Chanyo from pre-engineering first year class for the speech. I'll recite the beautiful lines of philosopher Epictetus. He says that don't just say that you have read books. Show that through them you have learned to think better.
Start with the great name of Allah, who is Rahman and Rahim, most respectable principal and my talented teachers and my dear listeners, Assalamu alaikum. Today I am Diljan Chanjo from first year pre-engineering. I start my speech with these lines of poetry. How far that little candle throws his beams, so shine a light on injustice and reform's noble dreams. So social reforms of society. Social reforms are essential for the growth, development, and well-being of individual within a community. These reforms aim to address social injustice and inequalities practice that hinder progress. Society can transform into a justice, equitable, and prosperous. One of the primary areas that require reform in education, the current education system often on rote learning, neglecting critical thinking, creating and emotional intelligence. Furthermore, environmental reforms are vital for the survival of our planet. Climate change, pollution and deforestation are a few of the pressing issues that requires immediate attention. Reforms of society are essential for creating more equitable and prosperous world. By addressing areas such as education, social justice and environmental, we can build a brighter future for to generation to come. Thank you.
Now we proceed to the proficiency certificates of English, and I would like to invite the coordinator of the program, Sir Ali Raza Syal. Please come forward and distribute the certificate among the students. So the first student, is Mr. Muhammad Zaki Kurai. Please come forward. Tawfiq Ahmed Solangi, Peer Baksh Zardari, Peer Kasir Qureshi, Diljan Chandio, Mr. Asim Abbas. Now I would like to invite Sir Professor Madar Shah to distribute the awards.
अस्सलामुअलैकुम बाबा हीअ जेकी एक्टिविटी आहे असांजे यंग टीचर दिलनि ते ऐं तमामु महिनती उस्ताद साईं अलीदर साहब जी कई आहे पूरे असां तालके मोरे जे लाइ ॿारनि जे लाइ ऐं एतिरो सुठो प्राइज़ ॾिनई 5000 4000 जेको इंग्लिश आहे उहो मेन सब्जेक्ट आहे इंग्लिश जेकॾहिं तव्हां अंडरस्टैंड थी वेंदो त तव्हां ईअं सम्झो त अधु ॿिया सब्जेक्ट केमिस्ट्री बायोलॉजी फिजिक्स जेके आहे उन सां अंडरस्टैंड थी वेंदो त साईं खे असां एप्रिशिएट था कयूं ऐं साईं नंढिड़ो प्रोग्राम कयो ऐं तव्हांजे लाइ जेकी टेस्ट रखी उन जी रिज़ल्ट आहे ऐं अॻिते बि इहे प्रोग्राम थींदा साईं जे लाइ बिग क्लैपिंग
Asim Abbas, Mr. Akash Ali, Basit Ali, Sir. Now I would like to call Sir Iftikhar Ali, and please come forward and distribute the awards. Mr. Zohaib Hussain, Anis Rahman, Mr. Syed Musaddiq, now I would like to call Sir Mirnawaz Syal. Please come forward and distribute the awards.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Honorable Principal, respected Professor here, Assalamualaikum. In the circumstances of the Moro city, I think this is the healthy activity to enhance the quality of education. So our friend Mr. Alillah Syal Sahab arranged a huge and ये कई तरीके से माना एड़ो इवेंट अरेंज कयो आहे जंहिंमें असांजे मोरो जे ॿारनि जो टैलेंट जेको आहे उहो ज़ाहिर थियो आहे इंग्लिश जे मदर साहब त इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज अहिड़ी आहे जंहिंमें जेकॾहिं इहा अची वई असांखे इन जा कॉन्सेप्ट्स इन जा पैरामीटर्स इन जा ग्रामेटिकल व्यू त हर सब्जेक्ट सम्झ में अची वेंदो हुयो माना जेकॾहिं इंग्लिश अचे थी त सब्जेक्ट सम्झ में ईंदो फिजिक्स केमिस्ट्री बायोलॉजी हुजे तो कोशिश स्टूडेंट की पहिरियां इहा हुजे त हू इंग्लिश सां माना वेल अवेयर हुजे पोइ बाद में जेकर हुन कोई शइ अची वञे न त सब्जेक्ट देयर इज नो एनी इशू छो जो असांजे मोरो में अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह असांजे मीरान डिग्री कॉलेज में स्ट्रांग फैकल्टी आहे या तव्हांखे बि ख़बर आहे त वैरायटी ऑफ द टीचर्स आहिनि जेके हर सब्जेक्ट में आहिनि बाक़ी हाणे उन्हनि खां तव्हां कमु कीअं था वठो उहो तव्हांजी पंहिंजी ड्यूटी आहे सो क्लैपिंग फॉर सलाना सियाल साहब
I would like to call Mr. Hassan Sial to get certificate.
Uma congratulations. Sido.
Mohsen Ahmed Malik. Zaman Ali Solanki. Sido. Huzaifa Korai. Shakil Ahmed Zardari.
Oh my God.
Tawfiq Ahmed Solanki.
Clapping, Baba.
Thank you.
And what on It would be honored to invite our critical professor Aliza Sial, who is coordinator of this ceremony, who had conducted this appreciation feast in our Moro city. I would like to say some words in the praise of our Professor Aliza. In the words of Professor Chef Feynman, he said that you don't measure knowledge by how much you know, but by how much more you are willing to know. Please, sir.
Thank you. Commendable principal, respected professors, and my dear students and friends, Assalamu alaikum. Government Mehran Degree College Moro is playing a pivotal role in imparting the quality education across the country. The students from different parts of the country have sought admissions to enrich them